Goes full in on the stumps. Work for a single. They're coming back for the second and will get them comfortably.
Far. Oh, come on now. This is a loose delivery. Should have been punished. Lucky Wasim that he got away. Oh, we were talking about boundary-less overs, and there it is. Tauheed Hridoy smacks one for a maximum to get done with the 15. 145 for 2. A helicopter coming in, takes off and lands well, just inches outside the boundary line. Boundary for Tauheed Hridoy.
It's his mark yet again. Wasim placed well in the gap. Result is 4 runs. The 150 comes up for Bangladesh with that boundary.
There was a very tiny lull period, a little over 3 overs, when no boundaries were hit. Just after that, momentum has snuck in back. He goes up, area, and gets a maximum. Tauheed Hridoy is now making his own tune.
A bit too predictable from Mohammad Wasim, time and time again, missing his mark. Hridoy, he's not going to miss out, and the result is 6 runs.
That should be a single. They're going for the second, and they'll get it comfortably. 15 gone. It's 160.
Slower delivery. That's uppishly played. Fielders trying to get to it, but will beyond them. They'll pick up a couple more runs. Excellent running between the wickets. How well Bangladesh have run between the wickets. UAE, that's a sign of confirm. Has been smacked all the way for a maximum.
Yeah, it's clattered into the boundary cushions. Sagir is struggling. It's very evident in his run-up follow-through as well. He's just laid out. That was shot. Invitig on it. And the batter long. This falls short on that occasion. Now a boundary. Board added to the total.
Oh, nice. Equally well played. It's in the gap. Nicely caressed. Piercing that gap between those two fielders. Superbly well. Gets another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries here for Hridoy.
Hridoy is playing a gem of an innings. He's
Just struggling here. You can see Sagir with the last over. This delivery. That's gone miles up in the air. Coming underneath it. And we'll take that. He's a brilliant fielder. It's a superb catch to get.
Hridoy departs for 45 and 24. Get a cameo. It's 201 for 5.